Recently did a video about these dimmer knobs, and how they break easily. This is actually broken already, and I just glued it from inside. Hopefully it stays for a while. I'm pretty cheap, and so instead of going to Home Depot, which would cost me gas, or Lowe's, tried looking for this knob online. It's not easy to find on eBay or Amazon. I think I found something, but basically, what's it called? I need to be like a contractor to get it. So, I found another knob that I could put in, but the problem is there's something stuck at the bottom over there, so it won't go in all the way. I mean, it's still good as an emergency knob, but you can see there's something stuck in there. First I tried using a set of tweezers to try to pull it out, but that didn't go so well. It just kept on flicking out. And I tried to use a small screwdriver to try to get that black piece out, but it's really lodged in there. So I'm stuck out of ideas how to fix this little dimmer knob, light switch dimmer knob. So if you have any ideas, I'm open to listen to ideas, or if you know where I can find this knob and it's not too expensive, please let me know. I tried Amazon and eBay as well as Home Depot, but I couldn't find anything. So switching to the internet